So we are going to move to the next module, which is going to talk about how we can warm up our SMTP servers. What is the reason why you need to warm up your SMTP servers? The major reason why you need to warm up your SMTP servers is that, number one, Gmail service or email service providers, they always look for the protection of emails that are being sent, and also always make sure that people are not spamming their users anyhow. That means you just have a new account, you just have a new Gmail account, and you decide that you want to start sending out 100 messages per account, 200 messages per account, 300 messages per account the same day or the same week. That is kind of too early and too crazy, because automatically they will believe you don't have interactions on your Gmail. You just want to start blasting. So they are going to block that kind of Gmail account, or they should start delivering all the messages that you blast out into spam. So a lot of things needs to be put in place. Your Gmail will only recognize you as a trusted person if they notice that your Gmail account has a good is reliable. If they notice that your Gmail is reliable, that is, it interacts with people. You send message out, you receive messages. You send one message today, you receive 2 messages today. You send 2 messages tomorrow, you receive 2 messages tomorrow. So once you do that on and on, you understand, that is going to prove to them that, okay, this person is a trusted person. It is their own AI that works, that their algorithm. It is the algorithm that works like that. So if you are not a trusted person, they are going to cancel you. They are going to remove you from their database. They are going to block your account, and you won't be able to go on with your marketing strategy, which is the email marketing strategy. So now, it's going to be stressful for me to start sending message from one email to another manually. Yes, it's going to be totally stressful, but there are something we call warm up. It is called warm up engine. There are some engines that they are going to help you to warm up your email to increase your reliability. They will automatically send out messages from your email, send messages into your email. Everything done with AI. It is automated. Everything is being automated. So now, which particular tool are we going to use? There are a lot of tools out there, but most of the tools that are out there are premium tools. Most of the tools that are out there are premium tools. But I'm going to give you my own tool, the tool that I use, which is a free tool for the time base that you need to really warm up your email. You don't need to warm up your emails forever. You understand? So you don't need to warm up your email forever, but it's really going to warm up your email for a very long time, and it's going to work perfectly and increase your reliability to 99 to 100, from 99 to 100%. So let us dive right into it. So I'm going to go to the tool. The tool that we are going to be using is called instantly.ai. So this tool actually helps in cold inboxing, but they have their email warm up to be free. Their email warm up is free. So what are we going to do? We go to get started. So when you go to get started, you need to sign in with that particular email. So let me just copy the email from here. Let me go back. I'm going to input my name. Let me just put Digitech. Then last name, I can put Store. So the name you are putting doesn't really mean. So you input your password, or you create a new password there. Then I agree and I agree. So let's just click on join now. So if you like, you can save it, and also you can check anyone from here, probably where you actually got this from a friend, LinkedIn, Twitter, and so on and so forth. So they have sent me a verification to my email. You can see welcome to welcome Digitech. So click here. Let me click it. Checking verification code, loading your dashboard. So it's going to load my dashboard. So they gave me 14 days free trial, and the free trial majorly is for what? is for doing my cold emailing, but I can have access to the warm up for free. So let me just click on next. Now the next thing I'm going to do right here to connect my Gmail to it, so that it can be able to automate. The AI will be able to automate anything from my Gmail account to send and receive messages automatically, instead of me doing the work, sending and receiving messages from people manually. So this is going to be done automatically. I will come to add new. You can see connect a new email account. So it depends on what you want to connect. You can do this for SMTP, for Outlook, and also for Gmail or G Suite. So I'm going to choose for Gmail. So the next thing I'm going to do is I will go back to my email right here. So once I get to my email, I'm going to click on these settings. Yeah, I will click on these settings, see all settings. Please make sure you follow closely. So I will come to forwarding and POP or IMAP, IMAP. So what I'm going to do is I will enable it and enable it. Yeah, voila. Then I will click on save. So once I'm done with this, I will go back to my my instantly, which is right here. You can see they've already given me the step. On your computer, open Gmail, click on settings here, click all settings, forwarding and POP. In the IMP selection, select enable IMP, click save changes. Then I will click on yes, I have done it. So the next thing I'm going to do is, they gave me two options. This first option is for G Suite. You can see available for G Suite account, but for Gmail account I'm going to use this second option, which is for app password. I'm going to use the app password method. So let me click on it. You can see. So now what am I going to do? I will go back to my app password. Don't forget I've set this particular app password for my tool, my major tool, which is my software. So I'm going to have another one right here. I will call it instantly. You can see instantly. Then I will click on generate. So it's going to generate another password for me. Sorry, I need to sign in my Gmail again. So let me do the app password again. Instantly. You can see instantly. Then I will click on generate. So it has generated another app password for me, which I am going to use on my instantly AI. So I will click on next. You can see I'm going to input my Gmail address, which is my Gmail address, and also the app password that I just generated right now, which is this. Then I will click on connect. So you can see, voila, this is so fantastic. It has connected just in a twinkle of an eye. I will click on done. You can see that this is so crazy. This is a crazy method of warming up your email, and it's free. It is free. So the next thing I'm going to do is, you can see I'm going to come to this button right here, which is enable warm up. I'm going to enable warm up. So let me click on enable warm up. Yes, I understand. Continue. So you can see warm up is enabled. Then automatically my warm up is done, and I'm going to, this AI tool is going to automatically be warming up my email without me being there, or clicking on anything or doing all these things manually. And also, if you want to know how well your account is being warmed up, you can see, you just come here, you can see warm up. You can disable it here, and this is because it is already enabled. That means by the time messages starts sending out, you can see 0 warm up email sent, 0 landed in inbox, 0 saved from spam, and so on and so forth. So let me come to settings right here. I can also configure my warm up. But I'm going to advise you, if your account is a new account, leave it as this. If your Gmail account is a new account, it is better you leave it as this. But if your account has a lot of interactions, it is not new, you can increase it to like 2 or 3. I believe you understand. You can increase it to like that. This is going to be increasing by 2 per day, by 1 per day, by 3 per day, and goes on and on like that. You can see daily warm-up limits suggested 20, maximum 200. So you can edit your daily warm-up limit right here. And then once you are done, you click on save. But I am not going to make any changes with my own, because my Gmail account is totally new. So once you are doing that, Gmail is automatically warming up, and your deliverability is going to increase better than before. It's going to increase much more better. So thank you guys. Thank you for this module. So we are going to dive into the next module. Bye.